Hi there. Today in this video, we're now going to walk through on how to set up and manage your online menu using the online menu manager, including platforms, items, and scheduling. From your home screen, go to the Pricebook and head over to online menu manager, or just use the smart search instead. You'll see your existing menus listed here. If not, we can go ahead and create one. To create a new menu, click on Add, or to edit an existing menu, click the Edit icon next to it. This will open the menu configuration screen. In the Add Details tab, start by entering your menu's name. Next, select the platforms where this menu will be available. Click on the Platforms drop-down to choose from options like DoorDash, Uber, and Grubhub. Then click OK. You can also upload or update the menu image if needed. Once you're done, move to the next section. Go to the Add Items tab. You can search for items, filter the items, or manually select what you want to include. To add the items, click to open the item selection window. Choose the items you want, or use Select All if needed. Then click Apply or Save. You'll now see those items added to your menu. Select and update the category for the items that you're adding. If there is no category, you can go ahead and create one and then select it. Adjust platform visibility if needed. Next, if we go to the Set Schedule tab, this is where you control when your menu is active. To set a schedule, click and drag across time slots. You can select specific hours of each day. For example, you can set different timings for weekdays and weekends. If needed, you can clear all schedules or restore to previous ones. Once everything is set up, details, items, and schedule, click on Save. Now when you head back to the main screen, you'll notice the status shows as not configured. To configure platforms, click on it. This will take you to the delivery platform setup. From here, you'll need to create a support ticket as shown. And our Cronysoft representatives will contact you to complete the configuration. Once configured, your online ordering services will be ready to use. You can also access the orders section from here to view incoming online orders once everything is set up. You can see you will be able to access received orders, orders that are processing, ready for pickup orders, out for delivery, completed orders, cancel orders, and all your orders. And that's how you set up and manage your online menu, from creating menus to assigning items and scheduling availability. And that's all for the online menu manager. I'll see you guys in our next module.